Hi. You do chemistry, American woman, don't you? What is Le Chatelier's principle? I don't understand what it means.
Le Chatelier's principle states that a system in dynamic equilibrium will change to oppose any external change applied to the system.
What?
When a system is in a state of equilibrium, the relative amounts of each of the products and reactants remains constant. Le Chatelier's principle says that by changing the conditions, for example the temperature, the balance between the amounts of products to reactants can be changed.
So if I change the temperature I can move the point of equilibrium to change the balance of products to reactants?
Yes. Consider an escalator. If you are trying to walk up a down escalator, you don't go anywhere. This is like a system in equilibrium. When you change the temperature or pressure, it is like changing the speed of the escalator, and so you change position.
Oh, I see.
You can also do a few calculations, but these are above AS. For example, the equilibrium constant is the mathematical product of the molar concentrations of the products each raised to the power of its coefficient in the stoichiometric equation, divided by the molar concentrations of the reactants each raised to the power of its coefficient in the stoichiometric equation. But you don't need to worry about that until A2.
Good. So what you're saying is, change the environment, and the equilibrium will do the opposite. Like, raise the pressure, and the system will try and reduce the pressure by moving to the side with the fewest gas molecules.
Yes. I suppose so.